I want to show you something cool that you may appreciate. And if you've ever heard of Flow Studio, this may be something you're aware of. But Flow Studio just released recently, within this year, the Flow Studio MCP Server, which allows you to simply ask for insights, creation of new Power Automate flows, diagnosis against flows that are perhaps needing help, right? And you can see that I just added this to this is one of my old Copilot Studio agents. And I've added this MCP server. I've also added a couple of other things like email management, and you'll see why I did that. But I'm just going to paste a prompt here and let you kind of see this interesting prompting opportunity that lives inside of this MCP server. My prompt says, inventory all cloud flows across our environments. Rank them by business risk using connector sensitivity, run volume, external data movement, ownership status, and production impact as factors. Based on the ranking, report, I'm going to just change this to 2 because I've done this so many times. Top 2 flows that need governance review. When you think about what you're putting in that prompt, this is a single pass prompt that is asking for an evaluation of the risk factors across your environments. And you're giving it a list of what counts: connector sensitivity, run volume, data movement. Is this egressing? Is this kicking out data to another tenant? What is the ownership of these flows? And are there any production impacts? All right. And so it's looking across the flows, and I could type 2, 5, whatever I want to type here. And I can also specify which environment. Okay, so it kicked back a lot of detail. And because I'm in a Copilot Studio window, I just want you to know it's a lot to kind of take in here. So sometime what I'll do is I'll tell it to send me an email with this information. Send me the report to let's see if it knows my email. Normally I would spell out my email, but I probably shouldn't do that in a video. So it was able to send the email. So the email is right here. I'm just going to scroll through it so you can see that it reports on the flows that it found in the different environments. It talks about what was evaluated and how it viewed those evaluations. And then it gives us a ranking by score of the top 10 risk-rated ranked flows, and, as I asked, the top 2 flows requiring immediate governance review and why. And when I look at this output, I'm literally blown away, because what it might take me to get to this level of diagnosis of my environments is a lot longer than it took to just ask this MCP server to do this work for me. You can always add a second layer as well if you want to add a rubric, or you want to add a second AI pass. You can do that as well. But I just wanted to share this with you and find out if you find this interesting. Let me know in the comments, and I'll talk a little bit about it. So that was all I wanted to share today. Kind of blew my mind. I wonder how you feel when you see this kind of just ask an agent and to get this level of diagnosis back in literally minutes, which would take, in my case, quite a lot longer to pull out if I were to do this manually. All right, I'll be talking to you soon. Keep your ears open. I'm going to keep sending little snippets of what's happening, what I'm learning, what's going to be part of this initiative on Learning Compass. All of that's coming soon. Thank you for your patience and for keeping the subscription.